what we're going to be doing today is learning how to set and erase your limits on your Polaris board. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our dip switches here. We have dip switch 1 on the second block, which is going to activate to say if it's a dual or a single. When it's in the up position, it means that it is working as a dual system. When it's in the down position, it is working as a single. But for this purposes, we're going to be working as a dual gate. And then we're going to look at dip switch 6, which is going to be looking at which arm you're looking at. The bottom one is your primary, top one is your secondary. So what we're going to do is start by erasing your limits on your board. And to do that, you're going to go to your set limit button. You're going to hold it down till you hear 2 beeps. And what that just did is we erased your limit on your secondary arm. To do your primary arm now, we have to go to dip switch. We have to go to dip switch 6 and turn it off. Then we're going to hold our set limit until we hear those 2 beeps. Now we are ready to start setting our limits for our gate. So we're going to start with our secondary board or arm. And to do that, we're going to turn dip switch 6 in the up position. We're going to go over to our arms. Let's make sure they're in the home position, which does mean they're all the way closed, or in your case the gate's all the way open. We're in this position now, and what we're going to do is this is our primary arm, this is our secondary arm, as you can see. On your gate, usually the primary arm is on closer to the control board, and your secondary arm is the one further away. So we're going to go ahead and click, and we're going to be setting this bottom one over here. And I'm just going to wait till I get to the limit that I like, which I'm going to do that sticker right there, which is going to be right about there. Seems great for me. Once we have the desired location, we come back to our board, and we're going to hold the set limit button until you hear 1 beep. Awesome. Now that we have that 1 beep, we can go ahead and start setting our secondary arms, our primary arms limit. In order to do that, we push our button, make sure they both go home. When they're finally home, we're going to go to dip switch number 6. Bring that down to our primary. Same process. We come here, activate our gate, and we're not going to worry about this one. We're just going to look at this top one now and set it exactly. I'm going to do it to this tape here. Gets there, I get right about there. Seems good for me. Then we're going to hold the set limit button. So we hear the 1 beep. And that is how you set your limits for your Polaris and how to erase your limits on the Polaris. Thank you.